Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping safe at home. And first of all, I wish you a happy new year to all. Today, we are learning our first lesson, weather and seasons. Weather and seasons. In second standard, we learned what is weather. And main seasons of India. Can you name the main seasons in India? Which are the main three seasons in India? They are summer, winter and rainy or monsoon. And we learned that our earth is, if you just imagine this is our earth. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called what? Layer of air called atmosphere. Layer of air called atmosphere. And if we are checking the condition of the weather every day, and you can see sometimes it is hot and some other time it is cold and sometimes it is the climate is very pleasant and all. So we are talking about weather. If I am asking you whether it is a sunny day, then you will tell sunny day. But in the morning and evening, nowadays fog is there and it is somewhat cold. So this also we are talking about weather. And this weather continues for 1 or 2 months, that is season. So if I am asking you now which season we have, you will tell which season, winter season. So first let us see what is weather. What is weather? It is given in your textbook. The condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called weather. What is weather? The condition of air. That is, we are talking about atmosphere. The condition of the air of a place. If you are taking Ernakulam or if you are taking Kollam and if you are taking other states, you are talking about the condition of the air of that a particular, that special place. That condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called weather. All of you underline this and study today itself what is weather. The question is, what is weather? What is weather? All of you say, what is weather? The condition of the air of a place at a particular time is called weather. Then next, some factors are changing weather. Some factors keeps on changing weather. And the factors are sun, wind, rain and clouds. Which are the factors changing weather or influencing weather changes? They are sun, wind, rain and clouds. They are the factors that changes weather are sun, wind, rain and clouds. These are the things that changes weather. Among this, first we are learning about sun. First we are learning about sun. And you might have observed that in the morning and evening, the sun rays falls in slanting position. And if it is in the morning, if you just imagine this is sun and now the time is morning, then the sun rays falls in slanting position. ചരിഞ്ഞ് പതിക്കും ഭൂമിയിലേക്ക് അല്ലേ. And evening also the condition is same. The rays are in slanting position. And what about noon time? noon time the sun rays falls directly to the earth. Directly to the earth. So, noon time is hotter than morning and evening. Noon time is the hottest time than morning and evening. What is the reason? Because in the morning and in the evening the sun rays are slanted. At noon time it falls directly to the earth. So, noon time is the hottest time than that of morning and evening. This is the reason. And next we are learning about wind. Next, wind. If the wind blows with gently, that is called breeze. Soft and gentle wind is called breeze. So, if there is breeze, it makes the weather pleasant. So, what is breeze? Soft, if the wind moves softly and gently, that is called breeze. Soft and gentle wind is called breeze. And if the wind is with thunder, lightning and storm, thunder, lightning and rain, മഴ, ഇടിവെട്ട്, ഇടിമിന്നൽ, ഈ മൂന്ന് കാര്യങ്ങളോടുകൂടി ഹൈ സ്പീഡ് വിൻഡ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് സ്റ്റോം. So all of you learn what is breeze, what is storm. If you mark this, what is breeze and what is storm. What is breeze? The soft and gentle wind is called breeze. And when wind blows at a very high speed, along with what? Thunder, lightning and rain, it is called storm. So from this paragraph you have to learn what is breeze, what is storm. Today itself underline and learn. Then next we are talking about rain. Next we are learning about rain. And when it rains, the day becomes pleasant. During winter, it makes the weather cold. During winter, if there is rain, it makes the weather cold. And the rain is very good for crop. Crop means what? Crop means rice, wheat, maize, vegetables. All these called crops. In Malayalam we are telling vila. After farming or after cultivation, we are harvesting these crops. കൃഷിക്ക് ശേഷം നമ്മൾ വിളവെടുക്കും അല്ലെ, കൃഷി നടത്തിയതിനു ശേഷം. So rain is good for crops. The correct amount of rain in correct time is right amount of rain in right time is good for crops. If there is heavy rainfall, if there is more rainfall, that is harmful for us and for crops. If there is heavy rainfall, that causes what? Flood. That causes flood. അധികം മഴ ഉണ്ടായാൽ വെള്ളപ്പൊക്കം ഉണ്ടാകും, ക്രോപ്സ് നശിക്കും. And if there is less rain, that also harmful to us, and that causes drought. വരൾച്ച. Drought means opposite of flood. Drought means what? വരൾച്ച. This also not good for crops. So right amount of rain in right time is good for crops. Then next about clouds. And a cloudy day is cooler than a sunny day because the sun rays cannot reach us directly. You might have observed that a sunny day is hotter and a cloudy day is cooler than a sunny day. Why it is so? Because the clouds block the way of sun rays. So cloudy day is cooler than a sunny day. Then next, weather forecast. What is weather forecast? The scientists study the conditions of temperature and clouds and inform in advance about weather. This advanced information about weather is called weather forecast. And the scientists always observing the changes in the climate and weather, and they are giving information to us in advance. ക്ലൈമറ്റിനെ കുറിച്ച് സയൻറ്റിസ്റ്റ് പഠിച്ചിട്ട് നേരത്തെ തന്നെ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ തരും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് വെദർ ഫോർകാസ്റ്റ്. കാലാവസ്ഥ പ്രവചനം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കാലാവസ്ഥ ന്യൂസ് അല്ലേ, ഈ വെദർ ന്യൂസ് നമുക്ക് ടി വിയിൽ കാണാം. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് വെദർ forecast is published. This information is published through telecast in television and radio, and published in the newspaper, radio, newspapers and television. And nowadays it is available in internet also. If you are searching in Google to show the result of today's weather, you will get the result. And this advanced information about weather is called weather forecasting. ഇതുപോലെ സയൻറ്റിസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ തരുന്നതാണ് വെദർ ഫോർകാസ്റ്റിംഗ്. And in the next page it is given what are the uses of weather forecasting. You have to learn the uses. First, it helps us to plan our daily activities. If we know about the weather in advance, we can plan our daily activities. If we are planning to go out for a picnic, before that if you are searching the weather result in your internet or newspaper or television, if the climate is not good, you can cancel your trip. Okay, like this you can plan your daily activities. And next, it helps the farmers to plan their activities according to the rain. Third point, it helps sailors and pilots to sail or fly as they should know whether it would be a rainy or a clear day. So this weather forecasting helps the sailors and pilots to know their way. Then next, let us do this fill up. High speed wind is called what? Storm. And at noon, the sun rays are in which position? Direct position. All of you pick the answer. First answer storm, second answer direct. And next, see that do you know satellites are sent into the space to monitor the weather of the earth. These are called weather satellites. And we are using satellites to study about weather, and these satellites are called weather satellites. So what are the points today we learned? What is weather? Here it is written the points. All of you copy this in your notebook and learn the points from the text. What is weather? What is freeze? What is storm? What is weather forecast? And uses of weather forecast, and name the factors that changes weather. What are the factors that changes weather? Sun, wind, rain, clouds. These are the 4 factors changes weather. And uses of weather forecast, you have to learn these 3 points. And what is weather forecast? You have to learn this paragraph. What is weather forecast? And freeze, storm, and what is weather? All of you try to learn these points. So today all of you read the text and learn the points from the text. Okay.